You've clicked this video because you want to learn how to make a Facebook page for your business. So, without a further ado, here's how to make a Facebook page in 2025. Uh, Meta changes all the time, and it's good to be abreast with all the information. And coming to this, you might be new, you might be a bit frustrated on how to do this. So, I'm going to walk you through it. We'll create a fictitious page together and see how best to help you and your business. So, how do we do it? Well, before we start on that, let's talk about why you want to create a Facebook page. The main reasons are you want to do advertising on your Facebook and on Instagram, and also including WhatsApp and maybe Threads. Another number two, you want to do it to boost your SEO for your website. Like say, for example, if you're to Google this business, my business, it appears over here, which improves visibility and credibility. And then lastly, you want to create a Facebook page because you want to be found on Meta, Instagram, and Threads to give you more credibility. So, step one, what do we do? First thing you do, we will obviously log into your Facebook account. This is me right here. And then you will scroll to your left here and look for pages, and then create a business page right here. Right, so why you want to get a page? To use advanced professional tools, add features, shops, earn money with your content. If you're eligible, you want more than one person to access your Facebook page. Here they can help you manage and grow. Then you want to get in-depth analysis of how your content is growing or how your ads are doing. And then obviously, this is the most important one, is to increase your reach. So let's get started. Right, so let's start with the name. We'll just pick a random name, pick flowers. Then let's think about gardening. Yeah, garden. Bio. Let's say you're into gardening. This is a gardening. Oh wow, my spelling is off today. Peach. You don't have to think about this too much because you can always come back and fix this later. Right, so we will create the page. So we need a website. This is the My Business website and the number. The address there. What else? We put our opening hours. Sometimes you don't need to fill this information if you're running a online business, but if you have a physical office, this is advisable. Let me go next. Right, so we need to add a profile picture and cover photo. For this, I normally go to Canva. So we look for gardening photo. let's go this one. So I'm gonna quickly come up with that logo. I'm gonna change this to pink. And re-download. Then while we're still here, let's come up with a new design for our banner. That has taken a minute. So Facebook cover. We look for garden. No, this looks nice. So we also download that. Sometimes I don't know why Canva doesn't let me download when I want to download. So let's write that, then download. See there. Come back to Facebook. Choose a profile picture. Remember the pick garden? Yes, pick flowers. There you go. And now we choose our cover page. And boom, there you go. That is fine by me. Oh, we did an action button. So what do you want people to do when they come to our Facebook page? So assuming you're a gardener, we want people to book a call. Sign up is for businesses if you're looking for leads. Obviously, this goes for restaurants. This if you have business, if you have products, if you're in e-commerce. Get tickets for events. If you want people to contact you via Messenger, you can click here as well. If you want people to talk to you via WhatsApp, this is fine. You can put your number to be called. Send an email and contact form. This is all good. And then you can link to your Facebook page, a group that you want to create, all that. So we go next. That is fine. So go next. Well, here is you have the option of adding your WhatsApp number here, but we're gonna skip that for the moment. Here you have the option of asking your friends to join your page to get following or to build your audience. We're gonna skip that for now. Now this is for notification. This is where it gets a bit irritating. I normally choose get notifications on Facebook on the profile. That is fine by me. But sometimes when you choose this option for marketing and promotional emails on your page, from your page, you get a lot of clutter, many emails, and very frustrating. And here we are with our Facebook page. We're ready to go. Right, so all this is straightforward and easy to understand, but we are not done. There's still a few things we need to do. Like, for example, let's go to settings. So here's where you modify your notifications. This is for accessibility. Let's go to page details. So here you can add more information, like where you're based. So let's say Nairobi. Okay. You can add your WhatsApp number. Here we choose not to. You can add your website. You can add social links, like for example, your Instagram. I don't know if it'll agree, and I haven't created one yet. Oh wow, we did agree. Interesting. Yeah, you can add your prices. You can add services that you offer. So this is mostly gardening. So you can add languages when your company was formed or Facebook page. And is there anything to add? Right, so we go to more settings. I want us to look at giving other people access to your Facebook page. Yeah, here it is. Come to the page access. So this is for giving people who can get full admin rights or full control of your Facebook page over here. You can when you need to add, tell you this: full control of your Facebook page, your ads and everything. So ideally, you would look for your friends or type them names. Just pick a random name, and all this are my friends on Facebook, and I can add them from there. Community managers are people who don't have admin rights, but they can moderate comments. They can suspend members who violate your community standards. They can see who are the admins of the page and all that. So you'd go for this if you don't give people full access to your Facebook page. Now let's look at Meta. So now we are. Oh, I need to mention, if you need to switch between your original account and the Facebook page account here.